我觉得你做的蛮不错的。
Got to close it slightly harder.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's go. No, I don't want to block his wheel also.
It's okay. I got the shot.
Yeah, I drive by it. Okay, let's go.
We really just went one round back just for the Bentley.
Yeah.
Amazing.
I need to move off already. Oh, man. Panamera.
It's like an uncle color.
Yeah, blonde.
It's a unique color.
Yeah, it's a unique color. It's a CLS. New demand sports. The best is Orchard Road to spot a lot of supercar. I doubt Chinatown here has many.
We should go there later.
I think later tonight. So tonight we are on tonight.
On let's go.
Alright, great.
Oh, look at the rims though.
Okay, this is definitely not an Evo 10.
Yep.
Nitro is a Nitro
sticker. Wow. Gran Turismo.
Sirocco. Yeah. Driving over the hump now.
Massive ass hump.
This is a low rider right here.
Okay, pretty decent. I was expecting more of like an older sound.
Yeah, oh, it's not okay lah. It's a bit vintage lah. I like the horn. I like the sound. Oh, it's so view.
I've never seen anyone like freak out over a Mitsubishi view before.
Actually, because it's very rare. It's kind of like, oh,
It's green.
see.
Yeah, it's green. And it's a Grab car, I think.
Huh, it's a Grab car?
Yeah.
Hey, then go at the lucky passengers.
Hey, look at that.
Oh, S300 SEL.
So we have Tomigo's house on the right. Yeah, the Riventon Roadster. The Ferraris are all over here.
Oh, so the house is from there to there. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's one whole big stretch.
Whoever lives here don't need to do car spotting really. Don't need to.
You just come down every day.
They say, hey, come to my house and do car spotting.
Yeah, usually there's like an i8 over here.
There's a what?
A BMW i8.
Oh, nice. You got a car behind me going also. Oh my god. Let's see what car they have here. If they want the Jaguar leave so early, I want to check out his car. Wait, what car we are? Keep our eyes open, guys. Oh, check out that Porsche. Driving.
AMG.
I'm just going to driving. The classic Merc there also a black one. Oh, Rolls Royce.
Oh.
Okay, it's like surprisingly more cars than I expected.
It's not next to the Jack.
Right? It's not next to a Jack.
But look nice at the one.
Should I? I'll just not next to the Jack. Park here.
It's so smooth.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, not real.
But actually it's very reliable. Service very. Hey, there are more cars coming in here, shit. Don't also know that you take photo with the car.
Probably.
I think that's why he's driving very slow. He's just driving keep on.
You can like see everything inside the car.
Yeah, because there's no privacy in this car. There's the windscreen where everyone can see through. So far, no supercar yet. So they on at 6:30. Okay, I checked the time now. It's 6:30. Just nice on the spot.
But we're already like halfway through the road already.
Yeah. Good thing is jam lah, so that we can get to see more lights here. It's not noticeable. It's the same white color. I keep seeing G3 Ghibli today all white color.
It's the most common color.
What's common color for Ghibli?
It's like either black, blue, or white. Gran Turismo.
Nice.
Wait, how long have we been stuck here for?
Wow, I counted already 20 minutes. Close to
20 minutes, oh my god.
5 minutes.
I stuck here for so long. Oh, it's moving already. Yes. It's fucking moving.
No, this.
Yeah, it's moving for like
Oh my god.
5 seconds.
Fucking hell lah.
Just on the shit out of him.
Go first. Hey, finally we are free, guys. We are free.
finally.
There's a Porsche GT3. Okay, finally, yes. Now I can drive freely. Hey, wait. Long way.
That was like so unnecessarily long, what the hell?
Yeah, actually I should just now keep to the most right. If not, then it's OZ4 right. Oh my god, he also jam ah.
I think it's the later cut in can you?
How people holding you in there? Are you? Oh, Is it a 1M? I saw the emblem. I think it's a 1M.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Oh wow, I see a car sponsor. Oh, the McLaren, there's a McLaren there.
Oh, it's a 600
Oh,
LT.
the red one. Not everyone
Oh!
came.
Not everyone came, but then... Hey, can I just park in front of this McLaren?
Can.